Hi everyone, here we've got Realme C3 and let me share with you how to actually turn off the camera shutter sound on this device. So firstly, let's enter the camera app and let's check if we've got this option turned on or off. So let me tap on the shutter button. And probably you cannot hear it, but trust me that we've got the shutter button, the shutter sound option activated, so I could hear the sound feedback from the device. So let me show you how to turn it off. All you have to do is simply tap on this three bars icon in the right upper corner, so let's tap on it and enter the settings. As you can see in the general section on the third position we've got shutter sound option, so all you have to do in order to turn it off is to tap on the switcher here. We can go back and check if it works, and trust me, after tapping on the shutter button I cannot hear any sound feedback from this device. So actually that's all. This is how to turn off camera shutter sound in your Realme C3. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.